Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to eBay Stash, my eBay Stash. Well, eBay Stash was postponed for a while, but I'm back with some stuff to motivate you to get your DIY going, your whatever going. You know what I mean? I was busy, I had things to do. Well, that's no excuse, I mean, I just wasn't up to it, man. But anyway, let's do this. What first I have? Yes. What first do we have here? Well, today we have an Arduino Mega, baby. Not Perlman. It's an Arduino Mega, baby. It's an Arduino Mega, baby. Take a look at this thing, man. You'll get a close-up of this in a while, bro. You'll get a close-up in a while. You'll get a close-up in a while. Come on. They usually come the same way, I mean, let's not go too far, let's not go too far. And I had to take it off in case you want to build some sort of, let's see, what's this? This is a shield. Let's get one that's opened. If you want to go into some 3D printer stuff, baby, you get close up of this thing. You get a close up. You know you want that. You know you want that. You know you want a close up. So this is an Arduino Mega shield. If you'd like to do CNCs, 3D printers, try out something, you have your Mega shield. It's slightly larger than the Arduino Uno shield. Okay, the Arduino Uno shield is about 2 foot that, 2 foot less. So what do we have? Okay, not forgetting, if you want to build and set this thing up at a higher note, yeah, this shield has some sort of jumpers in there too for the motors, set up the motors. Yeah, what do you have again? Well, you might want a screen on this thing. You don't need it, but if you'd like a screen and be able to place stuff, depending on the PC, for your G codes, for your codes, whatever, your printer, whatever is going to run on, you can place an SD right there. Okay, you place your SD here, you can put the PC off, and this thing will print your parts. You get a close-up of this. I know you want that. I know you want that. I know you want a close-up. Yeah, you do get the connectors for the screen to go onto the shield and all. You do get this connector. You get a knob. And this one, this potentiometer, you do press. Select, press, select, press, baby. Press it, press it. Eh? You get me? Eh? If you don't understand, you must say so, right? You have some sort of washer and screw bolt for the pots, So yeah, if you're trying to get your reprap game on, you're in the place to be, Okay, so here's the shield. Everything is here. Everything is here, baby. Everything is here. So this thing goes on the Mega. On the Mega, as some of you all may already know. What about those who don't? And it goes on the Mega like something like this. There's even spacing, I believe. You can also place a small heatsink on the Mega if you'd like. And take one of the heatsinks from the stepper drivers and place on there. So you lock everything down. See this? I know you like that. I know you like that. I know you like that. Because as I proceed to give you what you need. So say it after me. At Mega 2560. Okay? At Mega 2560, baby. And AFP Connects is out.